What is special about your dog? What makes it different from the other dogs?
Ma'am, sagutan mo.
Ilan bang ganito sa isang bag? Isang grab. Magkano yun? Time.
Ano siya? Hyper kuminsan to eh.
Hyper.
Hyper. Tapos,
How do you know if your dog is happy?
mabait siya at saka ano yung,
Hindi, kung
ano siya yung
Ma'am, paano niyo raw nalaman kung yung dog niyo po masaya daw?
full play. Ano, siyempre kasama mo lagi eh.
When was the
Every
last
minute
time you
kasama mo.
looked at your pet and told yourself, I love my dog?
Kailan niyo raw po sinabi na sa aso niyo na
What
gusto
was the last time you looked at yourself and told yourself?
ilan mo na lahat? Ilan na lahat ba?
Ano, everyday, ano,
42
everyday.
Do you feel that your dog loves you? Please give an
Hindi, ilan na
example.
po ba yung nabili?
kiss daw kayo.
Ay, ito
Kiss mo
pala.
na yung dog mo. Sample daw.